Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back by very unpopular demand, but hey, I'm here. I just want to film, because it's been like 4 months and I've been lost and I kind of left you guys hanging even though nobody was pulling. Wasn't nobody pulling back for me. Didn't nobody want me to come back? No, I'm just kidding. Some of y'all told me that, when am I going to make my next video? When am I going to, do makeup again? Blah, blah. Today guys, and I'm really happy about that. I'm happy to film again. I finished school already, so I should be filming more often, or I would like to film more often. I'm not gonna make any promises because I don't want to let anybody down, and I don't like letting people down. So yeah, this is today's look. I didn't know where I was going with it at first, but it turned into sort of like a grungy fall type of look. It's pretty nice, and I will maybe wear it again. I don't know. Because to be honest, when I want to like wear looks that I've done before, I kind of have to watch my own videos again because I be forgetting. Like, I don't be remembering all the steps. But anyways, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let you guys get into the video. And yeah, see you in my next one, guys. Bye. Alright, guys. So we're going to start this look. Sorry about this chair, though. It sucks, okay? And I have nothing better, so we're gonna have to deal with it. So let's see, what do I do first? I forgot everything. Oh yeah, I always usually just here I am with almost my whole eye look, and I just noticed that my camera stopped recording for like the first 25 seconds. So what I've been doing is pretty much just trying to fix like a big mess that I had made with brown. I'm sure you can still see it. It's pretty messy. But we're gonna roll with it. We're gonna go for a grungy look, where messy is good. So yeah, we can continue, and hopefully my camera doesn't die on me again. Okay, I'm gonna be on the watch for that. Okay. So I'm just adding some burnt orange from the Soft Glam palette. Lies, I'm adding orange soda. Huh. So the colors I used were pretty much just orange soda, burnt orange, sienna, and rustic. Just like all over the lid, pretty much. So I'm taking some rustic. I'm putting it at the very end of my lid. I'm like pushing it a little bit upwards. Not too much though, just a little. Okay, now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to go back into sienna. I'm just going to spread it on my lid. Oh yeah, also my mom is providing the music for us in this video. Yeah. She is jamming right now, and I didn't want to tell her to turn off her music because I didn't feel like she should stop jamming, just because I said so. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush. I'm gonna tap off all the excess product, and I'm gonna take some burnt orange and I'm gonna put some all over here because I feel like I rubbed most of it off with sienna, so I'm just gonna intensify. Okay, my mom is getting it, y'all. Okay, so now that our lid is pretty much the same color all around, all that for nothing. I'm gonna take a little more rustic because yellow. I'm gonna put a little bit more on the outer V. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, please don't fall, the Wet n Wild Photofocus Dewy Primer. And I don't hear anyone like raving about this primer. This primer deserves to be raved about. Like, it's freaking good. It really is. It makes my skin feel so good. And like, it really is luminous. I mean, I haven't worn it too many times because like it doesn't have a lot in it, so I like to save it for like whenever I go out and stuff. But I thought I'd use it in this video so you guys could freaking see how good it is. Like, it's so good. And it makes your foundation last. I've tested it. Maybe I'll do a video on that one day, like testing out products that say they'll make your makeup last. I don't know. Might be a hint for our next video. So I'm gonna take also the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation, which breaks me out, but it's $5, so. Hello, pimples. I'm just gonna like paint it on. I always like skip through my foundation just because I don't like for my videos to be a million years long, but I don't know, maybe I'll leave this part. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer. I should just be sponsored by Wet n Wild, right? At this point. Alright, so I'm just gonna blend that in. Alright, so what do I do next? Okay. So next, where's my next step? I don't have it. Oh, I think I was just gonna use this. So I'm just gonna use, this is the first time I'm doing this, so if it comes out bad, yellow, you know. So I'm just going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm going to rub some of that into my Real Technique sponge until it looks really cakey like this. And I'm just going to tap. And hope for the best. Wow, that's really bad. That is really bad. Oh god. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's like really bad. Like where I usually would crease, I put powder there. And I actually learned this from Kylie Bible. She did this in a video and I was like, so I started doing it and I saw like a little bit of a difference, but I always did it just in case. Just in case it actually worked. I don't know if it does, but I always do it. Cause my creases are like the worst creases. Oh, let me see. Let me put this under here, see if it lightens that up a little bit. I have the worst smile lines. And I watch Kathleen Lights all the time, and I just feel her on like a spiritual level. Cause this is like, okay, now that that's done, I would usually just set my whole entire face, and I'm just gonna use this Bella Pierre. Is this even Bella Pierre? Yeah, this is Bella Pierre banana powder. I'm just gonna tap that. I got this in an Ipsy and it turned out to be really freaking good. I'm just gonna tap some of that off. And I'm gonna take this big brush from Real Techniques and just tap some of it in there, tap some off. So the goal is to look like a piece of cake. Yeah. Every time. So I'm gonna take this little brush. Don't know what it's called. And I'm gonna take some of chocolate cake. I'm just gonna run it all over the bottom. Sorry, I totally forgot to like zoom in the moment I started doing my eyes. My fault. I'm gonna also take some burnt orange here. I'm gonna do the same. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going to take some of Rustic, and hopefully I don't regret this later on. I'm just going to run it really close to my waterline. Okay, and that should be it for the eyes. Yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my contour, you know? And oh my god, this is so beat up. This is like my favorite palette to contour with, and used to be my favorite palette to bronze with until I discovered butter bronzer over here, and then I've never used anything since. So I'm going to take this and run it all over here in no particular shape or form. Just going to buff that in. Alright, now I'm going to take the best bronzer in the world, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and if you don't have it, please do yourself a favor. Invest, honey, invest. Do it. And it smells like a vacation. Like, honestly, I mean, truly. So now that I'm done with my bronzer and I look like I went to the beach this summer, which I didn't because of the freaking red tide. What do I do after bronzer? It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Alright. So now that I'm done with my mascara, I'm going to take off this powder, excess powder. And I'm going to start on my highlight. So for my last video, which was, if I'm not mistaken, like 4 months ago, I had just tried out this Fenty Beauty highlighter duo. I'll show you. I hit freaking pan. It is so good. It's become like I really need to stop using it and use something else because I feel like I'm neglecting my other highlighters, which I love, for this one, and it can't be like that always, you know? Just come on, like... Alright, now I'm going to move on to the lips. And for that, I'm going to be taking this itty bitty. Oh my god, I use this so much. I freaking love this lip liner. It's the Ginger lip liner from Kylie. So once I get this fly out of the way, I'm gonna get my little mirror and I'm gonna start lining my lips or whatever. I'll try not to overline, but you know what I mean. Come on, come on. This is terrible. Alright, this color is from her summer collection. It's called Birthday Suit. Okay. And I don't like it. So I'm just gonna let that dry. Alright, so now that I finished with the lipstick, I'm going to use my Milani Make It Dewy setting spray, which I'm obsessed with recently, and it's super cheap too. It's like a kind of like a dupe for the Tatcha one. Okay, here we go. So after you've drowned in setting spray, just dry yourself, girl. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Actually, hold on, I'm gonna do something to my hair really quick. So I did nothing to my hair. It looks bad up or down, so I just left it like this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the final look. It's a little brown. It's a lot of brown actually. But I think I like it for the fall, and it's grungy, and considering I didn't know what the heck I was going to do with this look, I think it came out pretty good. Yeah, this concludes this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!